Good day everyone, I'm Jessica Sita Banao from grade 9 Hebrew. So today, I'm going to tell you about the steps in setting up desktop computer. When setting up desktop computer, ensure that the peripherals are connected to the correct location or port. For example, some mouse and keyboard cable uses the same type of PS or connector, so you must know first the different parts that can be found in back panel of the computer. You must keep in mind when attaching cables, never force a connection to plug the power cable after you have connected all others. Take note, be sure to place your computer case in an area that is well ventilated and has good airflow. This will help to prevent the computer from overheating. Step 1. Start with system unit. Locate the front panel power button, reset button, USB port, audio port, and optical disk drive. Locate the back panel. The port available will tell you what compatible part could be connected to the system unit.
Step 2. Connect the monitor, look it, and identify the monitor video part. The monitor part will tell you what type of cable to use and where you should connect it to the system unit panel.
You must remember to choose only one cable for the monitor. Connectors or cable.
VGA cable, video graphic array type of computer
Cable
cable.
that carries visual display data, the CPU to monitor.
UTP cable.
And shielded twisted pair is a type of connector commonly used for internet networking. It looks similar to a telephone jack or a LAN cable, but slightly wider. Wider LAN or
Cable power cord, alternatively referred to
as a connector or plug cable is one more wires covered in a plastic covering that allows for the transmission or power data between devices. HDMI cable or high definition multimedia interface is trademarked and brand name for a digital face used to transmit audio and video in a single cable. DI cable, digital visual interface. The digital interfaces is used to connect a video source such as video display controller to a display device such as computer monitor. Connect end to the cable to the monitor port on the back of the computer and the other end of the monitor. If you are using a VJ cable like one in the picture below, you want to tighten the screw on the monitor cable. To secure it, connect the monitor power cable. Plug first the power cable to the monitor port before plugging it into the VR or automatic voltage, regular or UPS. Step 3. Connect the keyboard and the mouse. Most of the day, mouse and keyboard uses USB or wireless. All types of mouse and keyboard uses PS to connector. If it uses a PS2 connector or 4 cable keyboard, plug it into a purple keyboard port on the back of the computer. For the mouse, plug it into the green mouse port on the back of the computer. Step 4. Connect the speaker. If you have the internal speaker or headphone, you can connect them from the computer of your port, either in the front or back of the computer case. Speaker or headphone connect to the green port and microphone connect to the green port. The blue port is in the line which can be used with other types of devices. Step 5. Connect the system unit power cable and plug it into the AVR or USB. An interruptible power supply or USB as a surge protector and provide temporarily power if there is a power outage. Step 6. Finally, plug the AVR or UPS into a wall outlet. Turn on the button and power button on the AVR or UPS. If you don't have UPS or AVR, you can plug the computer directly into the web. However, this is not recommended because electric car storage can be damage your computer. Step 7. Finally, turn on your power button of the system unit and monitor. Wait until the operating system appear on the screen. If you are using the network cable, locate the LAN port of the system unit and plug the networking cable. The lead will think if it's working if you have printer connect the printer cable and to the parallel port. If primer uses USB port, plug it into the USB port at the back of the computer. Then plug the power cord into the wall outlet, and this is my reflection in seeing a desktop computer. When I first started this project, I thought that I already knew a lot about computer and it will be very simple process. I discovered that it was much more difficult than I originally thought, and I needed to ask others for help. Building a computer led me to recognize and realize the value of my support network. In addition, it gave me insight into how I viewed the world and how that view has changed. There is so much for it to every aspect for our lives. To rediscover my project helped me to learn the value of true understanding. It was not just about knowing where the parts go, but about handling them and knowing how to interact. This project was to challenge myself by learning how to build a desktop computer. My reflection is about setting up desktop computer. Once again, my name is Jessica Sitabanao from grade 9 Hebrew.